25.72 minus 13.42. When you subtract 2 from 4, you will get answer 2. 7 minus 4, 3. Subtract, put the decimal point. 5 minus 3, 2. 2 minus 1, 1. So the answer is 12.32. 32, sorry. Second sum. First you write 206.35 168.22. Put the subtraction sign. When you subtract small number from a big number, when you subtract 2 from 5, you will get 3. 2 from 3, you will get 1. Can you subtract 8 from 6? No. Can you borrow anything from 0? No. So you will borrow from its another neighbor, which is 2. 2 will become 1. 10 will become, this is 10, then it will become 9, and 6 will become 16. 8 subtract from 16, you will get 8. 6 if you minus from 9, you will get 3. 1 if you minus from 1, you will get 0. So the answer is 38.13. Third sum. 63.4 minus 31.8. So, can you subtract 8 from 4? No. So, you will borrow from its neighbor and 4 will become 14. Then 8 minus, when you subtract 8 from 14, you will get 6. 1 from 2, you will get 1. 3 from 6, you will get 3. So the answer is 31.6. Correct, children? Very easy sums. Just you have to be thorough with your addition and subtraction. 63.43. 31.8. Now you will put a 0 over here because this was empty. 3, when you minus 0 from 3, you will get 3. See, you can subtract 8 from 4, so you will borrow from its neighbor. This will become 2. 4 will become 14. Okay, 4 will become 14. 8 if you subtract from 14, you will get answer 6. 1 minus 1 if you minus from 2, you will get 1. Then 3 if you minus from 3, you will guess 3. 3 if you minus from 6, you will get 3. So the answer is 31.63. Correct, children? (63.4) minus 31.83. So you will put a 0 over here because there was nothing you can subtract with. So you can borrow from its neighbor. 3, this will become 3. 0 will become 10. When you subtract 3 from 10, you will get 7. Can you subtract 8 from 3? No. So you will borrow from its neighbor. It will become 2. This will become 13. 8. If you subtract from 13, you will get 5. If you subtract 1 from 2, you will get 1. When you subtract 3 from 6, you will get 3. So the answer is 31.57. 8.23 minus 5.45. So both the numbers are small, so you will borrow from its big neighbor. This will become 7. 2 will become 11. 3 will become 13, because this 2 is going to pass 1 to 3. 10 units to 3. So 3 will become 13. Okay. 8. 4, if you minus from 11, you will get 7. And 5, if you minus from 7, you will get 2. So the answer is 2.78. Three will borrow from its neighbor. 12, 2 will become 1. This will become 13. 8. Again it will borrow from its neighbor. This will become 11. If you minus 4 from 11, you will get 7. Can you subtract 9 from 7? No. So you will borrow from its neighbor. This will become 17 and the answer will become 8. So the answer is 8.78. 8.03 minus 41.65. 7. This will become 9. First it will become 10, then 10 will become 9. 3 will become 13. Okay. 8, 3, 6, 3. 36.38. Question number 2. Vrinda was 1.48 meters tall. After a year, her height became 1.53 meter. How many centimeters did her height increase in a year? So first we will write what is given. So height of Vrinda (1.48 meters). Okay. After 1 year, height was 1.53 meters. Okay, now they have asked how many centimeters did her height increase in a year. Okay, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So we will multiply 1.48 into 100 and you will get 148 centimeter. Okay, 153 multiply by 100, you will get 153 centimeter. Correct? Then how many centimeters did her height increase? So height increased. So can you subtract big number from small number? No. So you will subtract 153 centimeter minus 148 centimeter, which is 153 minus 148. Okay. So you will borrow from its neighbor. This will become 13,500. So her height has increased by 5 centimeter. Okay. increase height. Okay.